Welcome to this quick tutorial about how to use shared content in EnlightenAI. If you have an assignment that's been shared by your school or district in our platform, the first step to find and use that assignment is to click Browse Library. This will bring you to the content library in Enlighten. From here, you'll be able to see all of the assignments that have been shared with you, and you'll also be able to filter on your organization. You might have to filter first on your district or region and then on your school. You can also use other filters like subjects or grade levels to find the content you're looking for. Each assignment will be an individual card, and you can always click Preview to see the contents of the assignment itself. What's the writing prompt? What's the rubric? Were there any source materials? When you found the assignment you're looking for and you're ready to give it to your students, you can click Use Assignment. Here, you'll be able to decide, do you want to import work from Illuminate, or do you want to assign this work directly to your students on Enlighten? If you're clicking Import from Illuminate, you'll immediately get a prompt to do so. If instead you're clicking Use Assignment, you'll be able to then decide, do you want to immediately assign it, or do you want to customize it first? When you click Customize, this is a great way to make sure that you have the right title, you have the right rubric, which you can change if you want to. You can also edit the prompt, readings, expected feedback instructions, AI feedback instructions. You can even change the AI training examples and add them if you want to. Lastly, you can decide how your students are going to interact with this assignment. Are they going to write in class and get multiple rounds of immediate AI feedback? Or are you going to choose to assign this work for them to complete and then you'll grade it later using your AI assistant? It's totally up to you. If you select instant AI feedback, you can then decide how many attempts should your students get. Should they see their scores after every attempt, maybe only after the last attempt or not at all? And do you want to give inline feedback as part of their in-class work? If you select Use Inline Feedback, remember that you can also add custom instructions here if you want to get extra specific with your AI assistant about how they should approach the comments they're giving inline. If you want to choose AI grading after the fact, this will get a little bit simpler, but either way, you can finish by assigning to your classes. When you're ready, go ahead and click Publish Assignment. And don't forget, if you want to, you can copy the Share with Students link here. This is a really easy way to make sure they get access to the assignment fast and they can get started. Hope this helps, and good luck using EnlightenAI.